I start the work by masking an area in the shape of the number 9. I'm going to make a base volume for the ear shape by extruding the masked area. At the beginning of the work, I consider the ear as a simple and sloping volume. And then, using the standard surface tool and highlighting the work surface, I consider the part as the earlobe. I hold the inner part of the ear and pull it in to create a suitable depression. I try to shape the inner cartilages of the ear with the clay build-up brush. If you are not familiar with the anatomy of the ear, try to follow the video very carefully to get familiar with the shape of the cartilages. And I recommend that you do this with me so that you can remember the shape of the ear well. I create depressions behind the ears with the move brush. Don't be hard and work with this software with confidence. Wherever we feel the need for changes, we can easily do this with the move brush. Also, if you like the content of this video, support me by liking it and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. You can say in the comments section what kind of video you would like me to make for you. I would like to do whatever I can to help you grow. The earlobe is too wide. I want to make it a little narrower with the clay build-up brush. So far we have progressed well and are approaching the shape of the ear. But it is not finished yet and we need to correct some things. If you feel that you have forgotten the anatomy of the ear, you can touch your ears to find out what you need to sculpt. Of course, not all ears are the same and you can do a wonderful exercise by sculpting several different types of ears. we have reached the end of the work. I hope that this tutorial was useful for you and helped you to sculpt the ear easily. Don't forget that I get a lot of energy from your likes and subscribes. If you want, you can watch the sculpting training for the rest of the face in this playlist.